Carbon fiber Model S door handle covers. Check these out. Real molded carbon fiber. We're going to show everybody how to install them today. Show you how good they look on the car. It's super simple. It's carbon fiber all the way through. One layer with lots of PU, which is resin from polyurethane. So they look great. They're glossy. They only come glossy. They look fantastic on the car. Say goodbye to fingerprints. Super easy to install. You get a whole set, 2 for the driver's side, 2 for the passenger side. And let's show you how easy these are to put on. And again, just get some rubbing alcohol. Spray it on the car or on your rag. And make sure you got all the loose debris, dirt, anything that may interrupt or let's see here. So check it out how it works. It's really simple the way it fits on. So you're going to go right on the point and you're going to lay it right across and stick it down. It's only going to come off when you want to remove it. Just start with an edge and peel off a little tiny part, and we suggest you peel it back a little bit to get started. And alignment is very important. So we have this much sticky, and the 3M adhesive VHB tape is on the other part. So right on the very tip, you want to put the little point down right there. All right. So we're holding the point, and the rest of it's loose. And we're going to peel it back a little bit, and we're going to look at our alignment. We suggest you look at it from eye level, the way you might be approaching your car, because we do not want to make these oversized to interfere with the opening and closing of the handles. We don't want you having any kind of warranty issues. So as you see, I'm peeling it back about 3/4 now, and with your finger on top, use your finger as a guide and simply go up and down. And you want to cover as much of the chrome on the top as possible. Keep pulling all the way down. Again, I still have a little bit of slack to control the up or down movement right to the end. And that is it. It is stuck down. You clean it. You're not going to get fingerprints anymore. You're going to have a really nice glossy carbon fiber look to your vehicle. And again, this is real molded carbon fiber on a polyurethane sheet. It's flexible. It's not a decal. It's carbon fiber all the way through. Just adhesive on the back. Then just repeat for the back side, back door. And then on the other side, you just have to flip it over and you will see which way it goes. They only fit one direction. They're not symmetrical in that way. Thanks again, RPM Tesla. And we think it adds a great rich look to the vehicle, and it's real molded carbon fiber. Thanks. Also, if you ever want to remove it one day, we want you to know it's not hard to do. It's quite simple. You're simply going to use a hair dryer and warm it up. Warming up adhesive liquefies it, and therefore, even after many years, you'll be able to remove this the same way you can remove a decal. So once you warm up the tip on the front, you're just going to peel it off slowly, just like this. Maybe hold the handle in. And if you're leasing a car or something, or you're getting a new S, just put it back on the backing paper and you'll have your applique door handle ready to go for your next car. So you might have a little bit of resin or a little bit of adhesive on here. Just clean it off with alcohol, drop off your lease car, and you're all set to put them on your next one. Thanks again for checking our video, and You can see I'm even confused on which way these flip. Thanks a lot, RPM Tesla.